Have you heard about ChatGPT but wondered whether it's useful or even safe to use? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool that you can talk to using everyday language. You type a question or request, and it responds almost like a helpful assistant. Today, I'll show you 3 simple and safe ways to use ChatGPT. You don't need to be a technology expert, and you don't need to learn any special commands. Before we begin, remember one important rule: never enter passwords or social security numbers, or other private details like banking information or medical records into an AI chatbot. With that covered, let's get started. The first safe way to use ChatGPT is to ask it to explain something you want to understand. Perhaps your television displays a message you don't recognize. Maybe you want to learn what a QR code is, or understand a new feature on your phone, or find out what people mean when they talk about the cloud. You could type, "Explain cloud storage to me," using simple, everyday language. You can also ask follow-up questions. Try saying, "Can you give me an example?" Or, "Please explain that again," without using technical terms. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that it doesn't become impatient. You can ask as many questions as you need. However, ChatGPT can occasionally make mistakes. For health or finance matters, confirm the answer with a qualified professional. Think of ChatGPT as a helpful starting point, not the final authority. The second safe use is getting help with everyday writing. It can help draft a birthday message, a thank you note, or a club announcement. For example, write a warm thank you note to a neighbor who brought me dinner. If it doesn't sound like you, ask it to change the tone. You could say, "Make it shorter and more casual," or "warmer and more personal." You remain in control. Read it carefully and only send it when it sounds right. When asking for writing help, avoid including private information. Use general descriptions like "my neighbor" instead of full names or addresses. The third safe way is for planning and organizing everyday activities. It can create a packing checklist or suggest questions for buying a new phone. You might type, "Create a simple packing list for a 5-day summer trip." You can make the answer more useful by adding basic, non-private details, like, "I want a lightweight laptop for email and viewing family photos." ChatGPT can organize your ideas and help you remember things you overlooked. But always verify prices and policies with the company itself before deciding. Let's review. Ask for simple explanations, writing help, and planning tools. And remember, never share sensitive personal details or let a bot pressure you. Start with one small task today and see how ChatGPT can help. What would you like to learn next? Leave your question in the comments. This is Senior Tech Talk, making AI easier to understand, one step at a time.